Hey kids, welcome back to online classes. Now today we are going to start next topic, that is force. We perform many actions that involve push or pull. So we need to push or pull the objects in order to move them. And do you know, this push or pull applied on an object, it is called force. A push or pull applied on an object is called force. For example, pushing a door, pulling a chair, pulling a toy car, all these are examples of force. The force is used to move an object. It can move a stationary object. It can stop a moving object. If any object is moving, like a ball is moving, we can stop it by applying some force. Moreover, it can change the direction of the moving object. Here in this picture you can see, force can change the direction of the ball. Force can change the shape of an object also. If you will apply some force, the shape can be changed. Here in this picture, the shape of clay that is being changed by applying some force. It can increase or decrease the speed of a moving object. Suppose a ball is moving, it is moving slowly, so if you will kick it, it will move faster. So in this way you can increase its speed. Same way you can decrease its speed also. So there are many types of forces. Today we are going to learn about gravity and friction. These two types of forces are acting all the time in nature. Let's learn about gravity. What happens when you throw a ball up into the sky? Does it keep going into the air or it will fall back? Yes, it will fall back. The ball falls back due to gravity. The ball first goes up and then it falls back to the ground, and this is because of gravity. Gravity is actually a force that pulls everything, every object down towards the center of the earth. So it is because of the gravity that the objects like leaves or fruits that fall down instead of going up. You can look at this picture. The apple falls to the ground. That is because of gravity only. Next is friction. What happens when you push a pencil box on the table? Does it keep moving or it stops after some time? The pencil box stops moving due to friction. It stops after moving a certain distance because of friction. And what is friction? Friction is the force that acts when two objects are in contact with each other. Here you can see the surface of the table and the box. These are in contact with each other, so friction exists between them. Friction resists the motion of a moving object. It always tries to stop the moving objects. It slows down or stop a moving object. Friction helps us to walk also. The friction between our feet and ground makes possible for us to walk easily. We cannot walk easily on wet floor or very smooth floor because there is less friction. Friction helps vehicles to move. The friction between the road and the tires of vehicles that make them move on the ground. And do you know, friction helps us to write also. Friction is there between the paper and pen. It helps us to write on the paper. So friction is useful in many ways. It has many advantages. Rough surfaces cause more friction than smooth surfaces. So it is the friction which helps us to walk without slipping. We will not slip